Hi YouTube, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come back with another video. As you saw in the title, today I'll be sharing 10 basic jobs which you can do here in France without speaking French or with a little bit of French knowledge. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel, and if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. Job number one is cleaning jobs. So here in South France, we do have a lot of hotels, offices, and private houses which are looking for cleaners. There's two ways to find these jobs. The first and recognized way is you go to the boîte intérim with your CV, you register yourself, then you select cleaning jobs. Whenever these people they get contacted through private houses or hotels, offices, they can refer your CV and they contact you directly, then you can go you work. And the second way to get these jobs is bouche à l'oreille, like mouth. So guys, job number two, warehouses or factory work. Many logistics companies and factories hire workers for packing and sorting products. So let me just give you an example, like Amazon, they always put their offers or job offers on their website. So guys, this doesn't require you to speak French, no. So you can go for warehouses or factory jobs. So guys, job number three is delivery drivers. What do I mean? Here in France, we do have one thing. You may come here in France when you have a driving permit, but if you come from outside European countries, like whereby me, I came from Africa and my driving license was not valid here, so you can't apply for this type of jobs. But if you come from European countries whereby the driving license, the international, yes, you can go for Uber Eats. They always hire drivers to deliver food stuff, so you can go for it. Job number four is farm work or farm jobs, whereby these people they do offer seasonal jobs like harvesting apples, pumpkins, like watermelon. So these people they do require manual labor, whereby you don't need to speak that French, and these jobs they are seasonal. So guys, if you see any offer from any website, you can apply for it even though you don't speak French. Job number five. By the way guys, if you see me looking down, because I noted each and everything on my paper. So job number five is dishwasher. We call them in French la plonge. So if you know you don't speak French and you need to earn a little bit of money, you can go in restaurants and apply for a dishwasher, whereby you don't need to be contact with customers, you stay in the kitchen behind. So they do always hire people, most especially in evening and lunchtime hours, so you can go for it, you don't need to speak French. Number six is kitchen assistant. Too many restaurants hire people for this post because they need help to prepare food, like packing them in the containers and also preparing like salads, cutting onions, carrots, tomato, etc. So this type of jobs you don't need to speak French. Yeah, just need to be present, and you can go for them guys. Whenever you see any restaurant, don't hesitate to ask because they do hire. Job number seven is babysitting. So here in France, there are too many English speaking families which are looking for people who speak English to babysit their babies or to look after their babies. And the only thing what I know what they require is the first aid certificate, just in case if there's anything which happens when they are not at home, they know their baby is in the safe hands. Like in French we call them les premiers secours certificate. So you need to do this small course. So most of the families, they do require that certificate before they employ you, so you can go for babysitting. Job number 8 is in construction labor. So construction labor, so here in France we call them, in French they are mason. So they do need people just for this labor in construction, so you don't need to speak good French, as long as you can communicate little. So if you feel like you're capable of doing this job, yes, you just go for it. They call them les maçons. In English they are construction labor. Job number 8. So we do have sometimes we see offers of car wash attendants. Most of here the car wash, they have the automatic machines, but there are some which they do it manually. So if you know, or you do have a little bit of experience in car wash, don't hesitate to apply for that job, because there are some stations where they look for manual power just to wash cars, so why not? Okay, job number 9 is housekeeping. So guys, here in France we do have a lot of hotels who are looking for housekeepers, and not only in hotels, also we do have camping sites whereby they look for housekeepers, especially seasonal jobs in summer. They offer you a contract of 6 months from the 1st of April until end of September. So that is the sector where they look for housekeepers. But it requires a little bit of French, like to know the basic words, like the materials which they use to clean. For example, like, let me just give you an example. They can ask you, est-ce que tu peux me passer le balai? Means like, can you pass me a broom? So you need to know how do they call the broom in French. You need to know how they call the rugs in French, like a rug sans sapier. They need to ask you, like, they can tell you, can you remove the dustbin from that place? You have to know the dustbin is called what in French, poubelle. For example, those basic words, you need to know them. But if you're willing to join the tourism industry, yes, there's too many jobs offers for housekeepers, so you go for them. Last but not least, we do have pet sitting or dog walking. So this is a type of the job which you can do without speaking French, but only skills which they need, like your first contact with their animals. How do you communicate with the animals? Most of the families here, they do have animals, so sometimes they go for vacations and they are looking for someone to take care of their dogs. So you can do this job as long as you love, or you are animal lovers. Why not? You can apply for them. Yeah, there's always things to do with dogs. You can take them for a walk. Yeah, so if you fall in this category, don't hesitate to apply for these jobs. Why not? You can go for. So guys, if you're there when you wish to get some tips on how did I pass my driving license, or how did I manage to learn French, or how did I move here, how did I acquire my residential permit, visa here in France, don't hesitate to leave your questions in the comment section below, guys. I will be happy to read them, and I will be happy to give you some tips, sharing my journey here in France as a migrant. So don't hesitate to leave your questions in the comment section below, guys. And if you've just come across to my channel, please don't hesitate to like, subscribe and comment. I'll be happy to enjoy this journey with you guys. So if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to comment, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bisous.